In this FluencyLink tutorial video, you'll learn how to clone and customize publisher-provided questions. Unlike questions you create yourself, publisher-provided questions cannot be edited, deleted, or disabled. To make customizations to a publisher-provided question, you need to clone the question using this button. Publisher-provided questions are the comprehension type, and initially you will not be able to edit or delete any of these sub-questions. You will only be able to edit the content in this question box. So after doing that, save your question. Now, if I go back in to edit this question, I'll be able to delete or modify these sub-questions. Note that if you look at the score for this overall question, this score box cannot be edited because it is calculated by adding up the scores of the sub-questions. I viewed the settings for this sub-question. Note that I still won't be able to edit this score or any of these other settings. To do that, I need to edit this sub-question. Now I can change the score and turn on these settings if I choose to. I can also remove answer boxes or add new ones. When finished, save the sub-question. Now I can see my changes reflected. I can also choose to delete a sub-question. And if you like, you can also choose to add new sub-questions. Once finished modifying the sub-questions, make sure to save the overall question. Note that question tags will not be preserved when you clone the question. If you want to add your own tags, use this button. Enter each tag you want, followed by a comma to register it, then save. Thanks for watching.